Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to your existing account on Mortal Kombat. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Mortal Kombat game on your device and wait until the game is loaded. After you have completed the tutorial and you gain access to this screen, in order to sign in, simply tap on the new player option at the top left corner, and then from this page, tap on the login button at the very end. Once you tap on it, you will be allowed to log in to your existing account. Simply type in your email address in the email box and then type in your password. After typing both of these, you can simply tap on the login button and then you will be logged in to your WB account for the Mortal Kombat game. In case you forgot your password, you can simply tap on the forgot password button and you will be allowed to reset your login credentials using your email address that you used to sign up for WB Play. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign in to your existing account on Mortal Kombat. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.